unboxing and sort of review of this GSI Micro Table I got actually as a gift, and I'm going to use it for motorcycle camping, obviously, but you could use it for any kind of camping or outdoor activity. So basically, in the box comes in a nice little carrying case, a handle, pretty compact. I'll put the specs in the notes below. Basically, open it up, get rid of the bag. So you've got the table, and it just kind of folds out like that. So there's the size, and the first thing you do is you pull out these rods. It's really easy to set up, and then you kind of feed them, you can see, through these holes that go all the way through. It can be a little tricky to kind of feed them. If you have a flat surface, it makes it a lot easier. Of course, when you're out camping, you may not have this nice flat table like I do, but you should be able to handle it. It's really not that hard. You just kind of move the slats, and that's it. And you'll notice, try to get a close-up of it, but on the end of these rods, there's a little notch, and you need to kind of leave those sticking out a little bit, because when you fold open the leg, it kind of sets in there like that. Both sides, and that'll keep that rod from sliding in and out. So that's basically it. So there's the table. You have it in the low, and then you can flip out these little legs, make it a little higher. So it's pretty nice if you want to have a place to cook. You don't have a lot of room in your panniers or backpack or whatever. It's pretty light. Again, I'll put all the specs down below, and you can check it out. But it's about $35 online. It should be pretty good. I got a couple camping trips coming up in the near future, so I'm going to try that out. But at least I have a place to put my stove and cook some food and whatnot.